Hello guys, welcome to new video. In this video we are going to solve Advent of Cyber 2 day 8. So let's get started. Scroll down below and here is our task 13 day 8 networking what's under the Christmas tree. First of all I will start this machine because it will take approx 1 minute to start this machine. Close this pop-up box and here is a walkthrough video. You can just click on that to refer the walkthrough. So what's under the Christmas tree story. After a few months of probation, intern Elp McEager has passed with the glowing feedback from MaxKiddy. During the meeting, Elp Eager asked for more access to the best festival company's internal network as he wishes to know more about the system he has sworn to protect. Elp MaxKiddy was reluctant to agree. However, after Elp McEager's heroic action in recovering Christmas, Elp MaxKiddy soon thought this was a good idea. This was uncharted territory for Elp McEager. He had no idea how to begin finding out this information for his new responsibilities. Thankfully, TBFC has a wonderful upskilling program covering the use of Nmap for Elp eager to enroll in. Okay, so we are just going to learn about Nmap into this day. So there is getting started. You can just refer this. This is just a theory part, so I am not going to cover this. Today's learning objective: intro to Nmap. What is Nmap? Basic Nmap functionality. What is TCP scanning? Scene scan. Acknowledge flags. Okay, so then connect scan. Nmap time templates. You will get basic understanding about these things. An introduction to Nmap scripting engine. How you can use hyphen script tag or hyphen sc tag. Additional scan types. Defending against Nmap scans. How you can prevent your system from any Nmap scan. So you will get basic understanding about this. So you can just refer this theory part if you want to learn more. Now our first question is, when was Snort created? Okay, so I don't know what is a Snort. I will just try to search for Snort. So for that, open a new tab and search for what is Snort. After searching into Google, you can see Snort is network intrusion detection and prevention system. Okay, Snort is a free open source network intrusion detection system and intrusion prevention system created in 1998. Okay, here is our answer. Snort was created on 1998 by Martin Roich. Okay, so you can just copy this 1998 and paste it into our first question. Click on submit and our answer is correct. Now next question is, using the Nmap on 10.10.170.16, what are the port numbers of the three services running? Please provide your answer in ascending or descending order. Sorry, highest separated by a comma. Okay, we need to find this information. For that we need to use Nmap here. First of all, to access this machine I need to connect to the OpenVPN. So I will just start a terminator and change the directory where I have downloaded the OpenVPN file. So I will just switch the directory to desktop by using cd desktop/tryhackme. After ls, you can see there is our OpenVPN file decrypted.ovpn. So to connect to this, I will first of all split this window by Ctrl Shift E, then Ctrl Shift O. Now to log in as a to access OpenVPN, you can use command sudo openvpn and file name is decrypted.ovpn. Hit the enter button. Enter default password of Kali user. It is a Kali. Okay, we are successfully connected to the OpenVPN. Now copy our target machine IP and try to ping to this because we need to check that this machine is up or not. Okay, we are getting TTL response, means our target system is live now. Now we need to perform Nmap scan. First of all, I will try to open this site on web browser. You can see this is a very basic site. There is no CSS or JavaScript used. It is only HTML. It is only using HTML. Let's try to scan it using Nmap. You can use command called Nmap. Paste the IP by Ctrl Shift V and hit the enter. This will start scanning the whole site. Okay, we haven't provided any flag here. This will take some time, so open tryhackme again. Next question is, run a scan and provide -pn flag to ignore ICMP being used to determine if host is up. Okay, for that we are just going to use Nmap on our new tab. First of all, I will use man command to get manual about this Nmap command. You can use man Nmap. So this will display manual for this Nmap command. In this manual, they have explained multiple things like what are these flags, timestamp flags, how you can use it. So there are plenty of flags like -s capital Y, -s capital O, -b, -p. You can just go through this task. Now we are done with scanning and you can see there are ports open called 80 2222 3389. So this is our first question's answer. So I will just enter here 80 comma 2222 comma 3389. Click on submit. Okay, our answer is correct. There may be some changes. I will just remove this. And in answer format, you can see there is no space into this. So we just need to use here without spaces. So port number was 80 2222 and 3389. 80 comma 2222 and 3389. Click on submit, and our answer is correct. Now next question is, run a scan and provide the -pn flag to ignore ICMP being used to determine host is up. Okay, so I will just use here nmap, then capital P small n and press the IP by Ctrl Shift V and hit the enter button. Okay, this will start scanning this IP by ignoring ICMP being used. Now next question is, experiment with different scan settings such as -a -sv whilst comparing outputs. Okay, so I will just start this again in new tab. So here use command nmap -a then small s capital V and press the IP by Ctrl Shift V and hit the enter button. So this will start scanning our target site. So just wait until scanning finished. Thereafter next question is, use nmap to determine the name of the Linux distribution that is running. What is reported as the most likely distribution to be running? We need to find that which Linux distribution that our site is running on. So our -pn scanning is finished, and you can see it is displaying only port numbers, and we are not getting any detailed information about this. So I will just click on completed for this question. Okay, and -a small s capital V scanning is also in running state. So just wait for some time until it gets finished. Meanwhile, I will just try to find another question. Okay, it is taking too much time. So another question is, use Nmap's network scripting engine NSC to retrieve the HTTP title of the web server based on the value returned. What do you think website might be used for? Okay, we need to find what is the purpose that website is used for. Like it is any admin panel or any CRM or any blog. We will need to find that. So for that, I will use command nmap small s capital C for scripting. This will start scanning automatically. Then use small s capital V and press the IP by Ctrl Shift V. And our scanning for nmap -a s capital V is completed. And you can see it is showing that it is using Ubuntu Linux distribution. So I'll just copy this Ubuntu and paste it into our answer format. We are done with -a and -sv flag. So I will click on completed there. And here also you paste the answer here by Ctrl V, and our answer is complete. Now it is scanning the system, so just wait for some time. We need to find the purpose of this website. Here it is showing that it is an internal blog, so I think it is a blog. So just wait for our scanning is finished. Okay, scanning is finished now, and you can see in HTTP title it is showing that it is an internal blog. So our answer will be blog here. I will copy this blog by right clicking on this, then copy and paste it by Ctrl V. Click on submit, and our answer is correct. Now use different scripts against the remaining services to discover any further information about them. So you can just refer man command to find how you can use different scripts for this. So I will just click on completed. This is just optional question. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you are interested in learning ethical hacking, bug bounty hunting or penetration testing, you can simply enter into my course. I have given the course link into the description. You can just check it out. Thank you for watching.